Hey all, Katie with Katie's Crafts. I just wanted to show you some of my new designs for my ear holders, for ear savers for the mask holder. So this is the ear saver and it's got a little metal loop on it. Now what you do is you just grab your hair. Now I've got thick hair, so I gotta go kind of to the middle part of it. Put it on there, secure it around my hair tie, and then you've got the ear saver for the masks. Ta-da! I have two other options, so bear with me. Take that out. The other option is a little barrette. Katie's Crafts attached to a barrette. So you don't need to have your hair up, or you can have it in a half ponytail. Put it in. My kitty's in the background yelling. Put it in, attach mask. Now the last one you may be interested in is ear saver around a hair tie. Same thing, just put it around your hair. Booyah! Stay safe, keep your ears safe, and have a good time.